Welcome back, beautiful people. I am so grateful for this time, this space, and reality. If you have woken up this morning and you have had a burden in your heart, or you have had some kind of thing that you're dealing with and going through, I just came out of a meditation and it was revealed to me, and I had to get on here and let you know. I will be coming out with some videos, so please stay tuned, and I definitely want you guys to subscribe. I think this is going to be a great community that is open for all who are looking forward to being able to redevelop their lives, establish a common and stable ground, having healthy lifestyles. Anyway, so in the meditation, and I wrote it down, the war is going on in your mind. You see, the battle is not with man. It's not in the physical. You have to decide and get clear with yourself. And you have to be able to convince yourself differently of whatever it is that you're going through, whatever it is that you're facing. Otherwise, it will be a situation that will continually evolve in your life, meaning that that's the past of you. That no longer serves you. So if you keep dwelling on it, living on it, and banking on it, guess what? What you are doing is allowing the past to set you up and create your todays and your tomorrows. So please get your mind right. Find ways to be creative, and we're going to get into that. Stay tuned, guys. I love you. I hope each of you will have a beautiful day. See y'all soon.